Hey everybody, YouTube, this is Korean Mac, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade steak rattlesnake fries. This is very similar to the Taco Bell's version. So let's begin making this delicious recipe. First we're going to start by making the creamy jalapeno sauce, which calls for 1 cup of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of chopped jalapenos, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. And then stir this up until it's well blended. Now, cover this up and put it in the refrigerator, and then we'll work on the steak. On medium-high heat, cook the steak until it's nice and browned. If you want to, you can put some olive oil in the pan so they won't stick. And when it's done, this is how it should look like. Next, we're going to take some cheese sauce, 2 to 4 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Put this on medium-high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, in a large pot, pour some canola oil and set it on high heat. Once your oil is hot enough, add the fries. And cook it until it's golden brown. If you have an air fryer, you can use that instead. Once that's finished, put it in a large bowl with some paper towel in it. Then add 4 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And then cover it up and shake it until the fries are well incorporated with it. And this is how your fries should look like after you coated it. Now we're going to assemble it. Using a plate, put the fries on there first. Then the steak. Then the cheese sauce. Then the creamy jalapeno sauce. And finally, the jalapenos. This can be fresh or pickled jalapenos. And this is how it should look like after you're finished with it. This is a very delicious recipe. Now, my twin brother didn't want the jalapenos or the jalapeno sauce, so I just took it out. I just gave him ranch, just plain buttermilk ranch, and no jalapenos. Now, the one that you're seeing is the one that I made for myself. And like always, the recipe will be in the description. So if you like your cheese fries with a little kick to it, this is right up your alley. So give it a try.